this video I'll be showing you guys something really interesting. To do this, first of all, we go to our start menu and disable some applications that updates automatically. You can actually disable a few and leave others. You can disable calendar by right clicking on it and clicking turn live tile off. We go to mail, right click, turn live tile off, and we do this for other applications that we would like to disable. Disabling these applications ensures that they do not update in the background and consume so much of your data. The second thing we do for users of Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, you simply go to your Windows settings. You can type updates. For Windows 8 and Windows 8.1, you can actually change your update settings to disable automatic download updates and downloads. But for Windows 10, this is not really easy to do. We'll be talking about how to do it in Windows 10 in a later video. Next thing to do is to turn off background processes which consume a lot of data and download, which use a lot of packet data and download for updating other softwares. To do this, you go to Task Manager, you right click. You can go to Task Manager by simply going to your Task menu and click and typing Task. Go to Services. Now click on the Open Services part. A new window opens. Now you can easily scan through, or you can actually change the format this is shown. So it is shown by default, it is not shown in alphabetical order. You can easily change that by clicking on the name tab. Then you scroll down to Background Intelligence Transfer Service. You now right click on this and stop it. You can actually also double click on it, go to Startup Type and actually disable it. Click Apply and click OK. Now exit out of the services. Now another way of reducing the amount of data consumed by Windows is to reduce, normally in Windows, 80% of your data packets bandwidth is reserved for the system, making available only 20% for you to use to browse and do other things. Now to change this, we simply go to GP Edits, open the start menu and type in GP Edits. It takes you to the local group policy editor. Now as you can see here, let me enlarge this. As you can see here, it consists of two tabs, one for computer configuration, the next for user configuration. We'll be changing the configurations for the computer configuration part. And to do this, you scroll down to administrative templates, scroll down to network. Now scroll down to QoS packet scheduler. This quality of service packet scheduler. You can click on this to open up in the bigger view. Now you click on limit reserve packet. You double click on this. By default, it is not configured. To configure it, we enable it first of all. As you can see, 80% of your data packet is reserved for system use. And to disable this, we simply make it 0%. Click on apply and OK. Now exit out of here. Now you can connect back to your internet, and you can see that the amount of data consumed by Windows will be drastically reduced, and updates and other settings will be stopped, and your data would only be consumed if you are browsing with your browser.